Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Juliet. So in today's video, I'm going to quickly show you how to make this easy envelope clutch in 10 minutes. So here is a piece of fabric that I'll be using. The Ankara fabric is measuring 10 inches wide and then um 14 inches long. So I have two of the pieces. I'm placing them on this wadding. This is a padding for the breast. I'm going to be cutting out the same exact shape as you can see. So we're going to glue it to the wrong side of this Ankara piece. We're going to be using two of them, so one for the lining and then one for the outer piece. So using my iron now, I am gluing down the pad on the fabric. So if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly do so. We share sewing tutorials here every single week. Thank you so much. So on this other side, this interfacing does not have glue on both sides. So I'm using hemming gum to glue the other side. That's the lining piece of this pattern on it. So I'm placing the wrong side of the fabric on top of this other one like so. So what we have here now is only the right side. For both of them is the right side that is out. So this iron now is going to activate the hemming gum and these two pieces will be glued together. So next we are going to make marks. In this form, I'm going to slant and just use my ruler as a width to make the marks like so. We're going to do that all the way and then turn it to the other angle and repeat the same process. You'll see that in a bit. So after making all of these marks, we're going to take this now to the sewing machine and sew on all of those lines. Please give this video a like if you are enjoying it. Thank you so much. So we're going to be sewing across all these lines. So while we're sewing, I want to use this opportunity to say thank you to all of you on my channel. Thank you for always watching. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the shares. I see all of them. Thank you so much. Also, I'm going to leave a link to our Facebook page in the description box and also in the comment section. Please kindly follow us on Facebook. We have two pages. One was hacked, so we are no longer using that one. So if you search First Breed Fashion on Facebook, you will see two pages. Please follow the one that has the same logo as this YouTube page. The easiest way would be to follow the link that I'm going to leave in the description box. Thank you. So after sewing, I'm going to use this piece of fabric. I'm spraying water on it as you can see to wipe off the chalk that we have made. After that, I'm going to use this paper now to make my pattern. So this paper is 8 inches wide and then 12 inches long. I'm folding into two like so. And then from this top part, I'm going to mark 3.5 inches down. And then I using a curve ruler, you can use a curve ruler to make a curve like so, or if you don't have any curve ruler, just use your hand and curve all the way to this end like so. We're going to be cutting this part out and then we'll place this piece of paper now on the fabric and cut out. So this is how it's going to be at the end of the day, like an envelope. Next we are going to be finishing these raw edges with the um red fabric that you saw. So we're going to place it like so and finish this edge first, as you will see. So placing the right side of the plain fabric facing down. We're going to sew all the way on this side. Then I'm going to turn it over and fold in like so. So after sewing this, finishing this side now, we're going to fold over about 4 inches, making sure the fold is 4 inches. Then we are going to finish the remaining edges with it folded. So here I just folded over the piece, but I changed that later. Is it looked better when folded under, and you will see how I folded under in a minute. So we're going to be sewing all around. You can do it this way, but I find the other way a lot cleaner. So we're sewing across with this did I say bag folded. We are going to be sewing all around, as you can see. So I'm going to be trimming off this the remaining piece, and then we'll fold it under like so. Now that's the kind of folding I'm going to go back and do on this side we started. I will advise you do the same, just start it that way. After that, we are going to fold it over in a similar manner we did the first time to finish up the raw edges. So I've loosened the first part we started. I'm going to fold it under like so, and then we will continue. This is actually something you can sew and sell. I made this, and each time I bring it out of my bag, people always love it. So I'm sure that if it's something you can make and sell as a side business, people will patronize you actually. So we're going to sew all this around like so, and then next we are going to add velcro the to the purse to close it up. I mean, you can't have an open purse, Abby. And please use matching color thread, though. Don't be like me. So here it is. It's looking very beautiful. Next, we are going to place this velcro on it, and then I cut out 2 inches of the velcro, and I'm going to be using this wax to glue it down. If you have glue gun, fine. I don't have a glue gun, so I'm using the candle wax with a lighter. So the lighter melts it, and then I placed it. I just rub it on the back of the velcro and glue it to the purse itself. We're going to do that again on this other side, and we have a secured purse, and that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video before you go. Thank you so much. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Share it with your friends. I mean, this is a really nice side hustle. Share it with your friends, a business idea. Thank you so much for watching once more, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.